Listen, there's no sugarcoating the chaos running through your head every damn day. The constant push, the pressure that suffocates you when you sit still, you grind nonstop, building, investing, leading, but deep down, something's stuck. You can't name it exactly, but it's that nagging feeling that no matter how fast you run, no real change comes. You're a master of hustle, yet you're blind to the patterns that keep looping, repeating failure disguised as normal. That frustration? That gnawing pain that maybe you're missing the point, that your mind is chained to distractions and half-truths? Let's get this straight. Ignoring what's inside is the biggest blocker you have. All the strategies, meetings, launches won't fix what's invisible. It's inside you. Mindful reflection isn't some vague advice. It's the only way out. But if you're thinking about just sitting quietly or thinking positively, stop. That's surface level. Real mindful reflection means getting brutal with your own stories, the lies you keep telling yourself, the shortcuts your brain takes to avoid discomfort. The patterns hiding in plain sight are the ones that sabotage your decisions, your relationships, everything that defines your life and work. So here's the deal. You have to carve out time, no excuses, no distractions, where you aggressively question your own reactions, your assumptions, your default moves. Write down the moments when you felt anger, doubt, fear, then dig into what triggered them, what invisible rule you're obeying without even knowing it. This isn't a feel-good exercise. It's a battle with yourself, intentionally pulling apart the automatic thoughts that shape your behavior. Next, push beyond just noticing patterns. Start tracing their origins. Were you reacting to something drilled into you by a culture that rewards conformity? Are your innovative ideas just repackaged fears of failure? Each insight is a weak spot in the armor of the mental trap you live in. And here's a killer move few do. Pair this reflection with radical curiosity. Instead of shutting down uncomfortable discoveries, lean in. Ask yourself why those patterns exist, what purpose they've been serving. Because every habit locked in your mind started as survival, and survival instincts disguised as habits are the hardest to outgrow. Once you see these hidden drives clearly, you get real power. You're no longer a victim of unconscious loops. You become the person who actively rewires the system inside. From there, it's about daily microchecks. Set alarms if you have to pause and scan your mind for autopilot moves. Catch yourself in moments of frustration or panic and immediately question what old story or pattern got triggered. This intentional break in your brain's autopilot rewires the neural pathways. It's slow, but it's the only way to stop repeating the same battles over and over. And understand this kind of reflection isn't solitary either. Share it with a trusted partner, someone who challenges you to see blind spots you miss. That's how the few who really get free build their edge. Brutally honest conversations that expose the hidden, dangerous assumptions nobody else points out. So if the surface level mindfulness talk makes you feel like you're wasting time because you've got real shit to do, it's because you haven't done this kind of deep, relentless self-examination. The real unlocking happens when you decide to stare into your own busy mind with unwavering focus and ruthless honesty. The patterns you uncover won't just shift your mindset, they'll change how you build companies, how you make calls under pressure, how you lead teams, how you invest. This is high-stakes mental work disguised as peace and calm, but peace without that work? It's a lie, a trap disguised as rest. If you want to escape those same frustrating cycles, if you want breakthrough, it starts here. Stop running from what's inside you and lean in with everything you've got. Get ruthless with your own mind, expose those hidden loops, and then rebuild from the ground up. No one else can do it for you. This is the difference between surviving the chaos and bending it to your will. Do it now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.